Hello everybody, and welcome to our video. So, you're thinking about sprucing up your kitchen, huh? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the wonderful world of modern kitchen design. You know, it's not just about having a place to cook, it's about creating a functional and fabulous space. And trust me, with these top 6 modern kitchen design ideas for 2024, you're going to be itching to get started on your own kitchen makeover. We're talking about everything from sleek minimalist vibes to the latest in smart kitchen tech. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, no judgment here, and let's get inspired. First up, let's talk about the beauty of minimalistic elegance in modern kitchen design. Picture this: clean lines, smooth surfaces, and a clutter-free environment that just screams sophistication. It's all about stripping away the excess and focusing on what truly matters. We're talking about integrated appliances that seamlessly blend into the cabinetry, hidden storage solutions to keep everything neat and tidy, and a color palette that's as soothing as a Sunday morning. Trust me, there's something so refreshing about walking into a kitchen that's been stripped down to its essentials. It's like a breath of fresh air in your home. Now, let's step into the future with the integration of smart technology into kitchen design. It's like having your very own kitchen assistant right at your fingertips. Imagine walking into your kitchen and having your refrigerator not only keep your groceries cool but also suggest recipes based on what's inside. And let's not forget about voice-controlled appliances that obey your every command, making cooking feel like a breeze. With induction cooktops offering precise temperature control and smart ovens that can be controlled from your phone, it's like the Jetsons have finally arrived in your kitchen. So, say goodbye to the days of slaving over a hot stove and hello to the future of cooking with smart technology. Now, let's delve into the sustainable side of modern kitchen design. It's all about being kind to the planet while creating a space that's both stylish and functional. Think about it. Using recycled or reclaimed materials not only adds character to your kitchen but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. Whether it's bamboo flooring, reclaimed wood cabinets, or countertops made from recycled glass, there are plenty of eco-friendly options to choose from. And let's not forget about incorporating sustainable practices into your daily routine, like composting stations and energy-efficient lighting. Because when it comes to modern kitchen design, being green is always in style. Now, let's shed some light on the importance of statement lighting in modern kitchen design. Lighting isn't just about illuminating your space, it's about setting the mood and adding that wow factor. Picture this: elegant pendant lights hanging over your kitchen island, casting a warm glow that invites guests to gather around. Or how about LED strip lighting that adds a touch of drama to your cabinets, creating a sleek and modern ambience? And let's not forget about under-cabinet task lighting, ensuring that every inch of your countertop is well lit for your culinary adventures. So, when it comes to modern kitchen design, don't underestimate the power of lighting to transform your space into something truly extraordinary. Now, let's bring a touch of nature into our modern kitchen design with biophilic elements. It's all about reconnecting with the natural world and incorporating elements like plants, natural materials, and organic shapes into our kitchen spaces. Imagine having a herb garden right by your kitchen window, providing fresh ingredients for your culinary creations while adding a pop of greenery to your space. Or how about incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and marble into your countertops and backsplashes, adding warmth and texture to your kitchen design? And let's not forget about maximizing natural light with large windows and skylights, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that uplifts the spirit. With biophilic design, we can create kitchen spaces that not only look beautiful but also nourish our souls and connect us to the world around us. Last, but certainly not least, let's explore the concept of open concept living in modern kitchen design. It's all about breaking down barriers and creating a space that's as functional as it is inviting. Imagine cooking up a storm in your kitchen while still being able to chat with family and friends lounging in the living room. That's the beauty of open concept living. It fosters connection and brings people together. And with spacious islands or peninsulas serving as the heart of the kitchen, there's plenty of room for everyone to gather around and enjoy good food and even better company. So, whether you're hosting a dinner party or just whipping up a quick meal for yourself, open concept living ensures that you're never too far away from the action. In conclusion, designing a modern kitchen isn't just about following trends, it's about creating a space that reflects your lifestyle, values, and personality. Whether you're drawn to the sleek simplicity of minimalistic elegance, the convenience of smart technology, the eco-consciousness of sustainable materials, the ambience of statement lighting, the sociability of open-concept living, or the natural beauty of biophilic design, there's a modern kitchen style that's perfect for you. So, as you embark on your kitchen design journey, don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Mix and match different elements, experiment with colors and textures, and most importantly, make sure your kitchen reflects who you are and how you want to live. With these top 6 modern kitchen design ideas for 2024 and a sprinkle of your own personal flair, you'll be well on your way to creating a kitchen that not only looks great but also feels like home. Thanks for joining us on this design adventure, and here's to many delicious meals and cherished memories in your modern kitchen.